The COVID-19 Delta variant has been detected here in our area. That's according to the Amarillo Public Health Department. Thanks for joining us tonight. Andy Justice has this evening off. The CDC says the Delta variant is more transmissible and can cause more severe illness. Tonight, KAMR Local 4's Kaylee Green reports what local health leaders say we can do to help stop the spread. That story topping our news tonight at 10 as we bring you facts, not fear.
Amarillo Public Health Department Director Casey Stoughton says it's no surprise to see variant cases popping up.
We have been identified or have been notified of the Delta variant along with the UK variant, the Brazil variant. So certainly variants have been expected and are currently here. No real change to the public health response.
Stoughton didn't have exact figures for the number of Delta cases in our area because it's done by surveillance, meaning random samples are sent to the lab for variant testing.
We know that it's a low number right now that have been identified as the Delta variant. Right now, the predominant strain is the UK variant.
Texas Tech Physicians infectious disease specialist Dr. Scott Milton also serves as the public health authority.
The best way to prevent the spread of any variant is to reduce the risk that there's transmission and that the virus doesn't have a chance to replicate.
He says vaccines work against these variants and they are the best way to stop the spread. But Stoughton says only about 35% of our population is vaccinated against COVID-19.
What we see in the hospitals now is not very many, but all of those are preventable. Now they're all preventable, and almost exclusively it's individuals who've not been vaccinated who end up getting sick and getting hospitalized.
Stoughton also says we can expect additional variants as time goes on.
Viruses are very smart, and this is how they stay alive, is by changing, and so we have to change along with it, and we have to continue along that path of being vaccinated, and we have to do that quickly so that we can head them off at the pass.
Dr. Milton says while we are seeing reluctance to taking the vaccine, here in our area we vaccinated enough people to avoid surges in new cases and hospitalizations like we saw last fall, even as new variants are detected. Live in studio, Kaylee Green, KMR Local 4 News. Jackie.
Kaylee, thank you. We did reach out to Amarillo hospitals today. Northwest Texas Hospital says it has not been notified of any Delta variant cases, and a spokesperson for BSA Hospital said they did not have an answer for us tonight.